Roy, I realized something funny from reading the comments lately. People think I only eat Korean food every single day.
Wait, you don't? I thought half your fridge was just gochujang containers.
Hey, I have a very international palate, okay? So starting today, I want to share some of my favorite dishes from other countries too.
Oh, so Hayes World Kitchen is finally happening. I'm already excited. So where are we going first?
Germany, and we're making one of my favorite summer dishes. No cooking, super refreshing, and honestly, even better cold.
That already sounds like peak summer survival food. What is it?
Bavarian sausage salad, Wurstsalat.
Hold on, a salad where sausage is the main ingredient? That sounds very German. Vegetables are basically decoration at that point.
Pretty much. But seriously, this is one of the most popular dishes at German Biergardens in summer. Especially with a cold beer, so good. Alright, let's go shopping.
Wow, this sausage section is insane. Germany really takes sausages seriously.
Usually people use Lyoner or Regensburger sausage for Wurstsalat. But honestly, if you're making it outside Germany, sliced ham or hot dogs work perfectly too.
Got it! So the important thing is slicing it thin. What are you getting today?
I found this pre-sliced salad mix with knackwurst and Regensburger sausage already in it. Zero effort. I love it.
Wow! Germany even meal preps the sausage for you. What a country!
And pickles are super important too. I picked Bavarian-style pickles because the tangy flavor really makes the salad pop.
Okay, can we hurry home now? I'm already hungry.
Alright, today's recipe is ridiculously easy. We're not turning on the stove at all.
Hearing that in summer instantly heals me. So what's first?
We're starting with the dressing. 4 spoons of sunflower oil, 4 spoons of water, and 4 spoons of vinegar.
Ooh, 4, 4, 4. That's easy to remember.
Right? But wait, there's one secret ingredient.
Let me guess. Mysterious German magic powder?
Nope, pickle juice, 2 spoons.
Oh, okay, yeah, that actually makes total sense. Pickle juice instantly makes things taste like restaurant food.
Exactly, it gives the dressing so much extra flavor. Then just add salt and pepper and we're done.
That already sounds good.
Now let's prep the main ingredients. Thinly slice the onions and slice the pickles however you like. German pickles are usually small, so little round slices work perfectly.
Wait, we don't need to soak the onions in water first? People usually do that to remove the sharpness.
Normally, yeah, but not today. Since we're chilling the salad in the fridge anyway, the onions mellow out naturally.
Oh, wow. The difficulty level just dropped instantly. Also, please give me extra pickles.
Haha. Okay. Last thing, finally chop some chives for color and prep is done.
Buying pre-sliced sausage really cuts the workload in half.
Alright, now let's add everything into the dressing we made earlier. First, I'm separating the sausage slices one by one so the dressing coats everything evenly.
Wow, the Regensburger sausage looks super bouncy.
That's why the texture is so good even though it's technically a salad.
Random thought, wouldn't Korean pink sausage actually taste good in this too?
Wait, hold on, that actually sounds amazing.
Right? Like a K-style Wurstsalat.
Roy, your food ideas are getting better lately. We definitely need to try that someday.
Nice! Another compliment added to my collection.
Now we add the pickles and the onions and chives too. Then just gently toss everything together and we're done.
Wait, that's actually it?
Yep, haha. Anyone can make this in like 10 minutes.
Wow, this looks incredible. The sausage and pickles coated in the dressing. I can't wait anymore.
Go ahead, try it.
Wow, okay, this is such a summer dish. It's tangy, savory, refreshing, and the crunchy onions and pickles are so good.
Right? It's delicious on its own, but if you eat it with bread, it becomes a full meal.
And the best part? No stove. Summer cooking should always be this easy.
That's exactly why Germans eat this all summer long at beer gardens.
Okay, today officially felt like a mini Germany trip. I'm already excited for the next World Kitchen episode.
Whew, just wait till you see what country we're doing next.